is going to be a center of the nail, so when using it from the center of the nails, have a 45-degree angle, you'll file, and then file it down. You know what? Is this your first time going live as well, Taylor?
Yeah, this is my first time.
That is awesome. Feels like so cool and chilling on your nails. She's like really into it, and I'm so excited to do it with Taylor. And then literally you don't have to do a lot of filing. That's what is yours like? What is your experience working with the Velvetty gels? Do you have any clients that you're doing at Velvetty gels?
I've done a couple.
That is awesome, right? How was that compared to like playing with acrylic?
I like it better.
It's like you can easy to control it, right? Like
that too. And then instead of like having the environmental factors that you have to deal with acrylic, with gel, you can just play with it, get it the way you want it until like you actually want to have it cured. That's what I like about gel.
So you get a full control of it. So pretty much it. And you see that how after we shape it, it's just nice and smooth. Not even using any e-file yet. So easy to filing. And then I'm gonna give it a buff. And if you have an e-file, you can just, you know, like using your e-file is really either sanding band or is a fine or medium is ceramics beads. And then you can able to smooth them, the surface out. I'm gonna give it another wipe off all the dust off from the nails. Here you have it. I'm gonna wait for the tailor to doing a crystal. I'm excited to see what crystal design you are going to do.